Why choose a manufacturer's representative? Or what is the value proposition of a rep versus direct sales force? If these are questions confronting your organization, thanks for tuning in. My name is Jeff Bose, President and Managing Partner at APM Naltron. We're a manufacturer's rep organization in the electronics business, and we created this short video to address these questions from a rep's perspective and to share with you what we've learned over the last 30 years. So what advantages do reps bring? We've broken it down into 5 key areas: local knowledge, synergy, relationships and coverage, longevity, and affordability. And we'll step through each one of these briefly. Local knowledge. Manufacturers, or what we call our principals, are granted immediate access to over 10,000 contacts and 30 years of knowledge in our case. Knowledge which includes information about overall TAM and SAM, vertical markets, customer products, their missions and goals, and their challenges and pains. We provide direct lines into key management and decision makers. So for example, you have a product you want to expand or market. What verticals or end applications are you targeting? Mil-aero, consumer, industrial, medical, automotive, telecom, AI, rail, or what specific end applications? Radar, small sat, IoT, white goods, 5G, HVAC metering. We granulize that customer detail in our CRM, both at an account level and at a contact level. Built into our systems and processes, this detailed comprehensive knowledge allows us to immediately identify targets, start generating activity on day one, and this really is a rep's IP. Synergy. Reps bring a lot of power and influence by having a line card and access to value-added services. We call it multi-line or solution selling. We guarantee there are other technologies on our line card that couple with your product. This creates a higher level of interest in meeting, a broader content discussion, and an increased value for their time at a customer sales call level. Multi-line selling often exposes us early in a new design cycle, makes us more important to customers, and requires that we interface with all disciplines at a customer organization. It's a clear contrast to a direct salesperson with one or just a few products in their offering. Every principal on our line card benefits from all the leads we obtain, no matter where they originated. And with every sales call, we are also discussing synergistic product, selling to the rest of the board or the rest of the system requirements, and all of our principals benefit from that. Relationships and coverage. Let's face it, we're in the people business. Reps network deeper into our customers is simply a geography and a bandwidth limitation for a direct salesperson. Using Florida as an example, with 4 or 5 field sales engineers and inside sales support, we build a lot of penetration and efficiency into our model by force multiplying. Not only in the tier 1s, but the long tail. We develop new accounts and leads, we grow the overall sales and customer count, we have strong established relationships at the customer base and distribution. We're in positions to introduce newer technologies and have early insight into new designs and organizational changes and customer challenges. Challenges like obsolescence mitigation, swap CR, EMI RFI, thermal, bandwidth, connectivity, security, supply chain, and so on. We view ourselves as partners, helping them solve problems and getting their product to market. Workplace structure is changing too with the adoption of a hybrid model. The home and/or in-office, reps leverage personal relationships to meet with personnel off-site in non-traditional social environments. No matter how much technology innovates, the in-person meetings will always have a competitive edge. Longevity. Reps have technical field sales with engineering degrees or extensive industry experience. We spend considerable time servicing opportunities to close, reporting on funnel, and doing an extreme amount of analysis like holes and gaps, wins and loss, book to bill, percent to plan. Beyond the direct demand creation activity, we also deploy sophisticated digital marketing programs and campaigns. Our experience shows rep employees tend to stay with rep organizations longer and have less turnover than direct salespeople, keeping continuity in the market. And finally, affordability. Reps are typically compensated on commission or a percent of sales in their region. We aren't paid unless we're producing. Expenses we incur for sales, marketing, engineering activity, and maintaining these long relationships typically are out of pocket. In comparison to a direct salesperson, the burden costs can be high. Add travel expenses, new people have to be trained, they typically don't have existing relationships. Then of course there's the whole turnover aspect. I'd love to see someone on paper challenge the conclusions we've made on affordability. So in closing, I hope you found this informative. We've just only scratched the surface on the rep value proposition. Reach out with any questions or comments. I do appreciate your time, and have yourself a terrific day. Thank you.